Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mr. Adam channel. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to talk about something that makes everyone happy: food.
And I'm Adam. Ah, food. One of life's greatest joys. It's not just about eating. It's about memories, family, and those little moments that make us smile.
Exactly! Sometimes the simplest meal can bring back the warmest memories.
Totally. But it's funny. When people learn English, they can talk about names or jobs easily, but when someone asks, "What's your favorite food?" they freeze.
Yes, they know what they love, but suddenly forget the words to describe it.
Right. So today, we'll just have a friendly chat about our favorite foods and how they make us feel. No rules, no grammar talk, just real conversation.
Perfect. Let's start with you, Adam.
Food says so much about who we are.
It really does. It carries our memories and moods.
When I think of comfort, I think of pasta. Warm, soft, simple.
That's lovely. For me, it's sushi. Fresh, quiet, peaceful.
You and your sushi. It fits your calm energy.
And pasta fits your warmth. Food and personality always connect somehow.
True. I guess pasta feels like family dinners and laughter.
Sushi reminds me of stillness, the sea, the sound of waves, the art of slowing down.
Beautiful. Every dish carries a story.
Yes, and sometimes the story tastes better than the food itself.
I remember when my mom used to make lasagna. The smell filled the house before dinner. That smell was home.
Smells have memories. My grandmother used to make soup every Sunday. The kitchen smelled of herbs and safety.
I like that. Herbs and safety.
Funny how a single scent can bring someone back.
Totally. That's why food feels emotional to me.
Do you think taste is more about the tongue or the heart?
Both. The tongue remembers, but the heart decides what stays.
That's poetic. Maybe that's why people crave what feels familiar, not just what tastes good.
Exactly. It's memory disguised as flavor.
Do you ever eat something just for the feeling, not the hunger?
All the time. Late night toast, hot tea, a small moment of comfort.
Same here. For me, it's chocolate. Just a bite feels like kindness.
Chocolate is happiness in slow motion.
That's a nice way to put it.
What about food you don't like?
Durian. I tried once. Couldn't get past the smell.
Same. I respect it, but one bite was enough.
It's funny how polite words matter there. Instead of saying, I hate it, I say, it's not really for me.
Exactly. Every dish has a home, a heart behind it.
That's why I love sharing food stories. They connect people without effort.
Totally. You can know someone's childhood just by hearing what they crave.
Mine? Probably rice with egg and soy sauce. Simple, soft, and warm.
That sounds like peace on a plate.
And yours?
Maybe soup on a rainy night. It feels like everything slows down.
You always find comfort in quiet things.
I guess food mirrors what we need.
Yes, it listens without judgment.
That's why cooking for someone feels like love.
It is love. Even a small meal says, I care.
You cook often?
Mostly simple dishes. I like the calm of chopping vegetables. It feels like therapy.
Same. Stirring sauce is my kind of meditation. I believe every home-cooked meal carries energy from the heart.
I agree. Even toast made with care tastes different.
True. Food is emotion we can touch.
You ever notice how textures change mood? Crispy feels alive, creamy feels gentle.
Yes, and smell shapes memory. I remember childhood by sense more than photos.
That's beautiful. For me, cinnamon means December.
And vanilla means Sunday mornings.
See? That's what makes food timeless.
It's more than flavor. It's the story of us.
Do you have a guilty pleasure?
Instant noodles at midnight. No guilt, just joy.
Mine's fried chicken. Crunchy, salty, impossible to resist.
Sometimes joy doesn't need justification.
Right. Comfort doesn't ask permission.
That's why food makes people honest. We drop all pretense.
Because taste speaks the truth the mouth can't hide.
Beautifully said.
You know, the best meals I've had weren't fancy. They were quiet, shared, unplanned.
Same. The best ones always come with laughter and no schedule.
Exactly. That's the flavor of life, unforced and warm.
I love that. Maybe food is just another way to say gratitude.
It is. Every meal says, you have enough and you're not alone. Do you remember your most unforgettable meal?
Yes. A small restaurant in Italy. Homemade pasta. No menu, just trust. The chef cooked what he wanted, and somehow it was perfect.
That sounds magical. I had something similar in Japan. Sushi made by an old chef who barely spoke. Each piece felt like a poem.
Meals like that stay in your heart.
They do. You can forget the place, but never the feeling.
Sometimes it's not even about taste. It's the kindness in how the food is served.
Exactly. The way someone places the bowl before you, gently, says everything.
That small respect transforms the meal.
It's the quiet details that make it memorable.
I once had soup in a village cafe. Nothing fancy, but the woman who made it smiled the whole time. That smile made the soup taste like sunlight.
That's beautiful. I love when food feels alive because of people.
Yes, because people season food with emotion.
Cooking is language without words.
True. Every dish says, I see you.
And sharing food says, you belong here.
That's why I think meals connect strangers faster than conversation.
Absolutely. You share a table and suddenly you share a story.
That's why I prefer slow meals. Time to talk, to breathe, to enjoy.
Slow meals remind us that life isn't a race.
I like that. Maybe eating slowly is a form of gratitude.
It is. Every bite becomes a small prayer.
Do you ever cook when you're sad?
Yes, cooking makes me feel useful again. Turning raw things into something warm gives me peace.
Exactly. Creating comfort from simple ingredients. It's healing.
What about when you're happy?
Then I cook for others. Joy grows when shared.
That's the secret of good food. It's better when it's given.
You said once that food connects generations. I think that's true.
Yes, my grandmother's recipes live on. even though she's gone. Every time I make her soup, she feels close again.
That's powerful. My dad's stew recipe does that for me. 1 spoon, and I hear his voice.
Food is memory made edible.
And memory keeps love alive.
So simple, yet so true.
You ever notice how different cultures express love through meals?
Of course, in some places they serve first. In others, they insist you take more. It's all love disguised as hospitality.
Yes, the language changes, but the care is the same.
That's what makes food universal. Everyone understands kindness through a plate.
I once had dinner in Morocco. Everyone shared one dish. No plates, just one table, one rhythm. It felt like unity.
I love that image. One rhythm. That's what food does. It synchronizes hearts.
Exactly. It turns a group into a family, even for an hour.
Food also teaches humility. You realize how lucky you are to have it.
Yes, even a simple meal becomes gratitude in action.
Do you think we eat with our souls too?
I think so. We don't just feed the body, we feed memories, comfort, connection.
That's why some meals stay with you long after the taste fades.
Because they touched something deeper.
Sometimes I wonder, do we choose food or does food choose us?
Maybe both. The body asks for what the heart misses.
That's profound. Maybe craving isn't hunger, but memory calling back.
Yes, cravings are emotional echoes.
Then food is medicine for the unseen parts of us.
Exactly. Every dish can heal something small,
Even a cup of tea shared in silence.
especially that. Silence tastes best with warmth.
You always say food mirrors life. Gentle, imperfect, but full of meaning.
Because it does. A burnt edge, a sweet center, a little mess, that's life.
And the beauty is we can always start again.
Yes, every meal is a new chance to make something good.
Maybe that's why people love breakfast. It feels like forgiveness.
I like that. Breakfast as hope.
Food and hope go hand in hand. Both say, try again. There's still warmth here.
That's the heart of it. Food reminds us that life, even in small bites, is worth savoring.
Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!